Happened to find some packed mochi in a new grocery store the other day. Now, it is Yakimochi time. Hope it is as nice as it is shown in anime. There are some instructions at the back of the pack, but I did not follow straight. As usual, I wanted to be a bit creative. Yakimochi on its own does not have much flavor, so I decided to dip it in some udon sauce and it worked surprisingly well. I also sprinkled some roasted seaweed flakes on it. I must say that seaweed and mochi match very well. This was very simple to make and tastes super good. Highly recommended if you like savory food. You can of course be creative with it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like my video. Also check out other videos on my channel. That's the way to go.